cold weather advisory in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to 7 a.m. EST Saturday. What? Very cold wind chills as low as 15 below expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? From 6 a.m. Friday to 7 a.m. EST Saturday. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 15 below zero could result in frostbite and hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Additional details. Windy conditions behind a cold front with plummeting temperatures should be expected Friday morning through Friday evening. Friday night. Winds ease, but temperatures will drop below zero through Saturday morning. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves.